back.
9, 8, 7, 6.
We're back.
So, how was it?
Well, it looked really good, and I'm sure everyone sitting here also absolutely liked it. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
We just saw the teaser and we all absolutely liked it. It was really nice. It was fantastic and looks extremely promising. So good job. It actually looks like you all were getting along, truly. And now my next... All right, so my next question now is to Mr. Ajit Andhare. I want to know what prompted you to back a film like Manto?
Yes, Ajit, tell us.
Tell us.
So, started by asking, what are you guys feeling, excitement, all of that. I don't know how many people actually appreciate the fact that Manto is the official selection from the entire Indian subcontinent.
Absolutely.
So, Cannes is a very sort of misunderstood thing in India. There are a lot of films that get screened, you can organize screenings, you can do gala screenings, but the tough one is to get your film properly selected in the competition or in the other sections such as Insert in Regard or Director's Fortnight. The fact that we are here as Manto is a celebration of Indian cinema, that we have been selected. I think that itself is a huge thing, and that really is a source of excitement, and that's what the reason why we did this film about a year back when we were here.
Yeah.
It's exactly what was the dream, that will we be selected, and when the news came, from that point to now, the excitement has been fueled, and we are enjoying every moment as we go with it.
All right, definitely looks like you guys are having a lot of fun. Also, you have worked with Mr. Nawazuddin Siddiqui before. And so how has that equation worked out with Viacom and Nawazuddin?
So, yeah, Nawaz is bored of that question, but I never tire of answering it because we have such fond memories. The first film that we did was Vasaipur, and at that time we got the Indian gamcha to trump the French bow. And you know, we were here everywhere with that gamcha. We still have fond memories of that. And then, of course, now, post that we had Bombay Talkies. Again, Nawaz was there. And now we are here. And as I said, as a properly selected film, kudos to Nandita who's made this possible, everybody in the cast, and that's something that we are also celebrating. Yeah, we are applauding ourselves, but I'm just too excited about this. You know, it's like, yeah, we got selected.
Yes,
Yay.
this is a big deal actually. So we're all excited and a little bit nervous as well because it's the first time the film will be seen by an audience.
So
And that's
explain the
what
nerves,
discerning
like
audience.
is everybody absolutely nervous till the screening doesn't happen tomorrow, or you guys are like having fun and feeling a little confident that it definitely is going to get a good review?
Definitely going to get a good
Going to get
That's
a,
our producer's
definitely,
hopefulness.
yeah.
I'm certain.
Well, we have done the best we could, you know, and I don't want to be beyond the point be wedded to what's going to be the outcome because it's not in our hands. We have made an honest, sincere film. We've told a story that I think we all believe in. And now it's up to the audience to see and how they react. And I don't want to even think about it. You know?
So it is interesting to see whether it's good or bad. It's always fun.
exactly.
You know, everybody has their own take on things, and you sort of put it out there for one reason. Somebody takes something else out of it.
Absolutely.
So it's very interesting to watch that. Whether
And
good or
Ajit,
bad.
I think, makes a very valid point about it being an official selection. You're using adjectives like, you know, nervousness and excitement. I think pride is the first thing that comes to my mind. We're representing the country in cinema, and that's a very big honor that Nandita has given us.
True, and you're making all of
The
us
film
very
has been-
proud over here. And Nandita, I really want to ask you that every actor that I'm asking, they're giving you all the credit for making their job easier. It's easier to do the character, the story became easier because of you. So you tell me, how much hard work was it for you to actually just, from story to direction to everything?
Well, while film is always a collaborative process, I think for the director, and especially if you're the writer as well, is also a lonely process. Because it takes a lot of time, the research, the writing, putting the funding together, putting the right cast and crew together. That's why for me it's very special. I mean, at 1 a.m. at night, I went to do the You know, then went to check the print if the sound and film was right. And I was like, really? Is our film actually here? I've been to Cannes before as a juror, judging other people's films. And as a film lover, I've seen films, but never have I felt that, you know, Cannes has a very special logo in the beginning. It has got these beautiful red stairs and beautiful music. And when that came on and then our film, it did. For a second, it was like almost overwhelming. Yes, there's been a lot of hard work. A lot of people have also supported. Strangers have come and helped. There are many actors who have done for very little or no money at all. You know, the producers have had super faith in me. They have not sort of overruled any of the creative things. They've always believed in the decision. So despite all the challenges, I think the heart is still warm that, you know, so many people are part of it and we are here together. There are almost 25 people from the Manto cast, crew, producer team. So it's definitely, as a filmmaker, as someone whose baby is finally delivered, I think it's a very, very happy moment.
And tell us a little bit about the casting, like who you thought of, like you knew exactly who's going to play what character, or did that change along the way when the casting started?
Well, these two, Nawaz and Rasika, were two people I always had in mind, even when I was writing it.
Okay.
And in fact, in 2013, when Nawaz was here with a film, and you know, on the stairs we met, I was in the short film jury and I met him and I said, you know what, I'm working on a script. And he said, which one? I said, I can't tell you, I haven't even started writing the script, I'm researching. He said, okay, at least tell me what is it. And I said, you'll love it, it's Manto. And Nawaz said, oh my God, I'm going to give 2 years of my life and I'm going to completely dedicate myself, I'll do anything for this film. And then, happily or sadly, he became a star. And those 2 years were gone for Munna Michael and the works. But having said that, when you see the film, you will think that he's given 2 years. So, but let me tell you, it's a lie. He hasn't given 2 years. So I'm most delighted that the people that I thought of were there. Finding Shyam was one of the toughest things.
Okay.
Because it was a charming, it could have been literally of many actors who at least look the part, they've been there. जैसे कहते हैं दाने दाने पे लिखा होता है खाने वाले का. I think after much search, I met Tahir, and I think the person and the character, there has to be some overlap. Like I need to feel that this person is also a little bit. Maybe that's not the logical thing to do. But everyone told me Tahir has done all these negative roles. Are you sure he's going to be this charming, lovable Shyam? But when I met him, I hadn't seen his earlier work, but when I met him, I just felt he was this charming, lovable person. And it's true, it's true, Tahir. And I think he also slipped into Shyam quite effortlessly. And so have all my other actors. And many eminent actors have worked on this film just to support the project, and I'm truly, truly grateful. Whether it's Rishi Kapoor, whether it's Paresh Rawal, whether it's Gurdas Maan, there's a debut of a very big, tell you, okay? Wait for that. And Ranveer Shori, and Divya Datta, and Rajeshri, and Inami Haq, and Neeraj Kavi, and Vijay Verma, I could go on and on. So lots of people, I literally had to just call Purab, Kohli, Swanand Kirkire, just a phone, and I said, you know, there's a half a day's work, will you do it? They didn't even ask me once, they said, yes, we'll do it.
Wow.
So I genuinely feel most overwhelmed about the love that I've got through this film.
Well, truly. And, you know, we have given you our reactions after seeing the teaser. But I want to ask Nawazuddin sir that the first time when he saw the teaser, what was his reaction like?
Has he even seen the teaser?
Has he?
Teaser dekha bhi hai?
अभी just
देखा ही just okay, he saw it then.
अभी 2 मिनट पहले देखा.
तो आपका क्या reaction था?
तो कैसा लगा?
He's saying very softly, he's saying अच्छा लगा.
Mr. Humble Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Did all the way here.
Well, he hasn't even seen the film. So
मैंने अभी फिल्म भी नहीं देखी है.
कल पूछेगा, लेकिन 24 मिनट के बाद पूछेगा नवाज को कैसा लगा, and I'm sure उनके चेहरे पे पता चल जाएगा. ये बहुत ही ट्रांसपेरेंट है.
सब पता चल जाता है.
सब पता चल जाता है. तो कल देख के पता चलेगा कि इनको अच्छी लगी नहीं लगी.
My next question is for Namrata Goyal. What made you choose Manto as a subject to get into production?
Yes.
You know, it's a really. I've always felt that if we are in a position of privilege, then we must support films that actually stand up for the values that they believe in. Whether it's films that celebrate diversity, unity, freedom of expression, equality. And I think this just came into my lap, and I'm extremely honored. Thank you, Nanta. Thank you, Ajit. Thank you, the entire team, for giving us the opportunity to be part of this wonderful film. And I truly hope that this will mark a journey where we can use cinema as a catalyst for social change. Because that's really what makes all the difference.
See what wonderful producers I have.
This really looks like the dream team. And since this is a Facebook Live, we just want to know that is there anything you want to tell everybody who's watching this live right now and is actually looking forward to the film and wondering about how the experience is going for you guys over there?
Do we have a release date, Ajit? On camera? Are you committing to them when they can watch the film?
Ajit is looking for an exit.
Sitting with bated breath.
Give us a
There's no
tentative
way
date.
So I think the film is here. This is the platform podium where the film is getting showcased. This was the dream. And this is what is the best time to release it in India, and then we for release. At the
That's
moment,
the
all the
vaguest
focus
answer, by the way.
And we'll release it as soon as all of them know about it.
That's a good one. Yeah.
How many?
As far as
1.3 million people.
as far as the message is concerned, I think Facebook is a young medium, so it's I mean, the reason that I would think people should watch it is because Manto even today is extremely relevant. He
show
spoke
the media
about.
account.
Yeah, so, no, absolutely.
No, my message to people on Facebook would be that Manto is as relevant, if not more, today than he was. He spoke about freedom of speech, he spoke about censorship, he spoke about politics and sexuality, and those issues are more relevant today than.
And yet, it's not a messagey film. We are not going to scream all these words to you. The idea is to tell you a story, to make Manto. We are not putting Manto on a pedestal. He's there with all the good and the bad, with all of us, with all his contradictions. But he was somebody who really spoke the truth, and despite all challenges. So I think also for young people, I think it's extremely inspirational to see someone put his neck on the line where all of us, to a large extent, are playing safe in our lives. So I think it's a film that there's something for everyone to take. And, I think हर इंसान में एक मंटोयत होती है.
I'm going to take this point that she made about the youth, which is also partly why I got involved. 3%.
Doesn't mean all of us are old.
I'm not saying anything.
Yes.
Not to figure that out. But considering 50 years of our population is under 35, it's really interesting because if we sensitize the youth to take on responsibility and give back to society what society has given us, we will truly be the true citizens of our country. And I think it's time we realize that we're indebted to our society. Various means, and like Sharon said, today it's far more relevant in today's times for young people to actually stand up. All over the world, the youth has been a catalyst for change. So today it's time that the youth stand up for what they believe in. Don't just follow, but be the leaders of change.
There you go, Namrata.
We have someone here who has a question.
And we are in this beautiful land. I don't know how much you can see of it, but there are these lovely boats and ships and the beach, and it is a haven for cinema. I know in India mostly who's wearing what gets reported, but it's really a haven for film lovers where they talk about life, about cinema, and they go on yachts for parties, and and they eat great French food.
Very good, bye.
And I don't know whether they know that this is coming from the Sharon Stone suite.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that this was Sharon Stone's feet.
Ajit has very generously said we can keep the room.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay, now we have to run because.
नमस्ते अजीत जी, अनुज्ञा गुजरात मित्र से बोल रही हूँ. अनुज्ञा गुजरात मित्र डेली से. नहीं आ रही
ચોક્કસ જ ગુજરાતમાં આ ફિલ્મ બતાડવામાં આવશે અને તમે બધા
મારે
જોશો.
તમને એ જ સવાલ પૂછવો છે કે કારણ કે તમે ગુજરાત રમખાણો ઉપર ફિલ્મ બનાવી હતી અને રિલીઝ નથી થઈ અને તમે આ વખતે બહુ મોટું રિસ્ક
એ હવે
ખેડ્યું
બીજી
છે.
વાત, એ આપણે ક્યારેક પછી કરીશું.
અરે
આજે મંટોનો દિવસ આપવા દો ને.
મંટો માટે જ હું પૂછી રહી છું કે તમે ધાડમાં
Promote another film I did in the film.
તમે ધાડમાં જબરજસ્ત પરફોર્મન્સ
So
આપ્યો છે.
that's another day. We'll talk about Dhad and
બિલકુલ
that
બિલકુલ આજે તો હું
experience
મંટોની જ
another
વાત કરીશ મેમ. મંટોની જ નવાઝભાઈને પણ પૂછીશ. નવાઝભાઈ તો હાફ બરોડિયન છે. કેમ છો નવાઝભાઈ, મજામાં?
મજામાં, ફૂલ મજામાં.
ફૂલ મજામાં કહે છે.
નવાઝ
શું વાત
સર,
કરે છે તમે?
अजीत सर, नवाज जी, रसिका जी और हमारे वर्षा दास जी की बेटी नंदिता मैम, आप सबसे पूछना है कि ये अनडिवाइडेड इंडिया की एक कहानी है जिनको हमने मंटो सर के किताबों के ज़रिए पढ़ा है. आपको लगता है कि सरहद पार लोग एक्सेप्ट करेंगे इस फिल्म को? बहुत सारी ऐसी बातें हैं जो सोसाइटी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती है और आपने रिस्क उठाया है.
ये एक इंसान, एक राइटर की कहानी है. इसमें कोई सरहद की बात ही नहीं है. सरहद
मैम.
क्या, समुंदर पार हम यहाँ आ गए जहाँ
जी.
यहाँ के लोग भी उसको, इट्स अ वेरी यूनिवर्सल स्टोरी.
जी जी
तो इसमें ऐसी कोई
मैम, उन्होंने
कभी भी कोई
उन्होंने
accept
बहुत
नहीं
कुछ
किया.
लिखा है. उन्होंने वेश्याओं के बारे में भी लिखा है. उन्होंने बहुत सारे ऐसे मसले उठाए हैं जो आम राइटर नहीं उठाते हैं. मैं उन सोशल जो मसले हैं उनकी बातें कर रही हूँ. तो किस तरह से
जी, जी,
हमारा
जी.
हिंदुस्तान, पाकिस्तान या बांग्लादेश का आवाम इस फिल्म को लेगा?
नहीं, तो ये मुझे तो लगता है, मुझे ऐसी कोई मतलब बिल्कुल भी कोई शक नहीं है कि ये पाकिस्तान हो, बांग्लादेश हो, श्रीलंका हो या दूर देश के लोग हो, वो नहीं इसको रिलेट कर पाएंगे. मुझे लगता है सब रिलेट कर पाएंगे. अब वो तो दिखाने पे पता चलेगा. सब अपने, जैसे अभी नमिता ने भी कहा कि लोग अलग अलग लेवल पे रिलेट करते हैं, अपने हिसाब से उसको प्रोसेस करते हैं.
नवाज सर, आपने बहुत सारा रिसर्च किया, आपने उनकी बहुत सारी किताबें पढ़ी मंटो साहब की. क्या अलग कुछ पाया आपने उन किताबों में?
इन किताबों में
क्या क्या पाया आपने?
देखिए, उनकी तो उनके बारे में जितना भी पढ़ा जाए वो बहुत कम है. मैंने कुछ एक दो उनके प्ले किए थे एनएसडी में, जब मैं एनएसडी से पहले जब मैं थिएटर करता था. और बाकी जो मुझे ज्यादातर जो पता चला उनकी राइटिंग के बारे में और उनके खुद के बारे में, वो ज्यादातर मुझे सब कुछ जो है नंदिता ने बताया. और तब से मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्ट बना उनकी पर्सनल, उनकी जाती जिंदगी में जाने का. एक्चुअली मैं उनकी कहानियां पहले से पढ़ा हुआ था, किया हुआ था, लेकिन उनकी पर्सनैलिटी कितने डायमेंशंस थे उनकी पर्सनैलिटी में, वो मुझे इनसे पता चला.
आपने क्या महसूस किया सर एज अ आर्टिस्ट? आप तो ऐसा लगता है कि बायोग्राफिकल
महसूस तो हर
किरदार,
आदमी, देखिए,
आप सर बायोग्राफिकल
हाँ,
किरदार
मंटो एक
निभाने
ऐसी
के लिए
चीज
बने,
ऐसी
ऐसा लग रहा है.
शख्सियत
जी 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 जी.
देखिए, मंटो ऐसी शख्सियत है जिसको हर आदमी महसूस कर सकता है, जिसके अंदर सच बोलने का मादा है या सच बोलना चाहता है. वो दुनिया का कोई भी इंसान अगर ऐसा है तो वो मंटो से रिलेट कर सकता है.
बिल्कुल.
सर.
Hello, this is Mr. Kirti Kadam from Inadu. My question is to Mr. Andhare. Mr. Ajit ji.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, thing is that somehow or the other, some kind of controversy follows you. Because earlier also there are a lot of controversies.
I had that
Now
reputation,
also a
I'm
little
glad
bit.
you have it now.
I mean, any comments on that, sir?
Now, ये आपने बहुत फंसाने वाली बात पूछ ली है. I don't know whether controversy follows us or me or
you
or
follow
I follow it. What we try to do is to try and do films that stand out, films which make an impact. Made a film called Bhag Milka Bhag. I don't think there was any controversy. We made Mary Kom, we made Queen, we made Special 26. Oh my God, I can go on and on. Unfortunately, I think our memories are such that we tend to associate something which has possibly been in the news for some reason as we think. There is a full body of work that we have done in Vaiko without any controversy, and our films have made a big impact. And I think that's what motivates us to do. I mean, the earlier lady was asking कि कैसे पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश और हिंदुस्तान में लोग इससे जुड़ेंगे. already Manto's short stories for which he are already so well known. Of course, what the film is trying to tell is his life story. There is absolutely nothing controversial there. Now, so we are following it from that lens and we are dealing with that. अब के बाद अगर कोई और उसको राह पकड़नी है तो
वो जब आएगा तब
I think you should ask the state of the country and the people who head it about the controversy rather than here.
I mean, आज ये देखिए कि कैन में जहाँ पे कोई बाउंड्री नहीं, आप सेलिब्रेट करते हैं दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा सिनेमा, दुनिया के सबसे अच्छे सिनेमा से कम्पीट करते हैं, वहाँ आपको सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है, वहाँ आपको सिलेक्ट किया जा रहा है. तो एज अ स्टूडियो मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है कि हमने शायद सही फिल्म ही सिलेक्ट की और इसमें मुझे कभी कोई कंट्रोवर्सी दूर दूर तक नजर नहीं. There is a reason to celebrate this, be happy about it, rather than worry about how it will sort of make someone feel on the other.
Yeah, let's put positive energies out in the cosmos.
Also, Ananta, I think stories transcend boundaries.
Absolutely.
Stories are about connecting with people all over the world because humanity at its core is the same for any person.
Exactly.
So I don't think that there's anything to do with controversy when you're just talking about humanness and you're talking about the core that makes a human being, what he stands for.
Also, in the same breath, Namita, one of the things that Manto stood for is that if you don't offend, you cannot tell the truth. So the truth is more important than trying to be politically correct. And I don't think
But in any case, he's not offending anybody.
Yeah.
It's not. It's a very personal battle of a writer, of a human being, the dilemmas that he goes through, compulsion to tell the truth, and his love for his family. Those are the kind of human emotions we are dealing with. So yeah, the trailer must have given you a glimpse of his struggles and his rebelliousness.
All right, so we
Okay,
have
are there any more questions?
Facebook fans are actually writing and asking. So this one Facebook question from Nimit Singhania is for Nawazuddin sir, that what mannerism or eccentric aspect of Manto was difficult to portray?
What
was
mannerism?
difficult?
का कौन सा
Oh, yes,
mannerism?
कौन सी चीज़
कौन सा
थी जो
एकदम-
difficult लगी portray? Everything was easy actually. Why should he make up an answer
it's
when it was
Nawaz.
actually easy for him?
It's Nawaz, वो सेट पे आते हैं और बस
नहीं
हो
नहीं
जाता
ऐसा
है.
कुछ नहीं है, बहुत सारी चीजें थी और
याद नहीं आ रही क्योंकि एक्चुअली सब आसान था इनके लिए.
नहीं तो आसान तो नहीं था, बहुत
क्या था डिफिकल्ट?
क्या difficult?
आई थिंक यही
सबसे
कि
डिफिकल्ट यही होता है परफॉर्मेंस में. आई थिंक कि कितना ऑनेस्ट जो आप परफॉर्मेंस कर रहे हो उसकी कितनी ऑनेस्टी के साथ उसको करते हैं. आई थिंक वो बहुत कहने को तो बहुत आसान है लेकिन बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है वही.
कि आप आज के
क्योंकि
जमाने में हैं, आज
exactly,
की चीजें
बिल्कुल,
चल रही हैं और आप एक इतने प्योर आदमी के
इंटेंशन में अब वो तभी कर सकते हैं आप जब आपको अंदर से खुद वैसा होना पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज वो कोई भी क्राफ्ट हो या कोई भी इस तरह की एक्टिंग की मेथड हो तो वो यूज नहीं हो सकती जब तक आप उसमें वो ना हो, ऑनेस्टी ना हो आपके काम में.
सुपरफिशियल हो
नहीं
जाएगा.
तो सुपरफिशियल है.
All right, and now
बाकी
the
जितनी
last
difficulty थी, ये सब
लेडी मत
हमारे
संभाल
lady मत संभाल लेती थी हमारी.
मेरे पे मत डालो.
आखिरी क्वेश्चन है ताहिर के लिए. Your fan Natasha Vasudev is saying, "Hi Tahir, you look dashing. I'm a big fan, and she wants to know that
You haven't even seen
Yeah,
it.
yeah, you haven't even-
she wants to know that you'll be seen in a completely different role than what you're."
haven't seen his shows.
Yeah, I think this is the whole package that she really likes.
I'm literally walking
That
in
gets
Shamsi's
stolen.
कॉस्ट्यूम क्या है?
So she wants to know that you're going to be seen in a very different role, and how different was it shooting for this one?
Again,
Except for the Urdu maybe.
yeah, the Urdu and pronunciation was a bit of a challenge, and also Nandita gave me a very about. It's not about what you're doing; it's about what you're not doing. Telling me this, and these days,
इन्हीं को बताया था.
modern use a lot of lingo, we use a lot of hand movements and gestures that perhaps in the 1940s they didn't. So that was a bit of a challenge. About the different part, I think an actor is an actor also. I'm playing a gangster or a bad guy or a romantic star like in Manto. I think जैसे नवाज भाई कह रहे थे, एक honesty होती है आपके character में. और if that is on the page, तो उसको सच्चाई on screen बनाना वो एक actor का काम होता है. Excited about a different part, but as far as the role is concerned, it's a part. It's as an actor, you just play a role.
All right,
Just the
thank
Khaja
you
and
so
then-
much.
Just the Khaja is a bit of a different.
Qurbani,
Qurbani.
From the Epic Lotus.
यहाँ पे हम अच्छा बोल रहे हैं. हम अच्छा बोल रहे हैं.
कुर्बानी कुर्बानी
All right, thank you so much. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों से बात करके. All the best to you guys. Looking forward to the screening. All the best. Thank you.
अरे मैंने इसीलिए फिर ये किया मैं कहा ये तो वो आ गया
Yeah? Yay!